Today's classroom face a tough challenge. Students struggles to feel engaged, distractions are high, theory feels disconnected, and without hands-on tools, learning often loses its spark. Knowledge without experience is like creating graduates with degrees and not skills. Across India, many institutions are promised innovation labs. What they actually get? Low quality setups, copy-paste products, no support, no upgrades. Just equipments that fails to deliver learning outcomes. At ISI India, we believe that education deserves better. That's where ISI India EV Labs comes in. We build not just labs, but a complete ecosystem backed by best-in-class manufacturing. With 100% in-house manufacturing, we ensure uncompromised quality for every institution we serve. ISI India is India's first company to introduce and practice the purpose-built EV ecosystem. Every detail, every benchmark, and every story begins here. From concept to prototype, design to testing, everything happens under one roof. It all starts from research and development.
When a query comes in, our R&D doesn't see product, we see problem to solve. The team break into micro objectives, turn ideas into engineering reality, CAD, electrical, electronics, mechanical, computer science through AI-enabled test benches.
Our production team built with a single mindset, world-class quality. From fabrication to assembly, every stage follows strict standard, giving you clean, reliable, and durable test bed built for your exact need.
Behind the scenes, our procurement and inventory teams work tirelessly to ensure only the best materials make it to your lab. Each component is benchmarked, inspected, and tracked, so nothing slips through. Only the best material pass through our procurement funnel. Every nut, bolt, and circuit are tracked, benchmarked, and stocked with care. During our inspection and quality control, every product undergoes 10 rigorous tests before it leaves our unit. Error-free, reliable, trusted. Because we don't deliver equipment, we deliver confidence. From safe packaging to timely delivery, installations, commissioning, and trainings. With unmatched after-sales support, our service team ensures your journey doesn't end at delivery. It begins with lifelong trust and learning support. ISI India is not just about labs. We are about preparing the next generation EV technicians, EV engineers, EV innovators, and global leaders. That's our promise. That's our benchmark. This is not just manufacturing. This is ISI India, where problems turns into solution, labs becomes ecosystems, and students becomes industry ready.